Alright, in this video right here on 14.1 trigo differentiation under chain rule, today we are going to look at this exemplar question over here in white. And let's begin. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Y equals to the whole thing bracket 3x plus 5 sine another bracket 2x plus 5 cube. Alright, so first things first, when I see a trigo function like sine, cosine, or tangent, what I always do is I will always identify what is my general x. So in this case, this will aka be my x, which is 2x plus 5. This will be your aka x. Alright. So like remember sine x, like this x, but this is just a general x, alright? So without further ado, let's start. So is it in a nice form to differentiate at first? Yes, alright, so let's start. Dy over dx, this will give us, what is this? This is what? Basic trigo differentiation or chain trigo differentiation? Chain, right? So this power number come down, power number -1, and you differentiate the inside bracket as shown over here. Alright, so we'll do step 1 and step 2 first. So this will be 3, the whole thing bracket, 3x plus 5 sine bracket 2x plus 5, the whole thing, and then I close the bracket and square here. Alright, so you might wonder, why do I write square brackets? And why not just write all round brackets? So the thing is, I write square brackets from the start here and the end here because I have a round bracket inside, which I do not want to confuse myself when I am doing these kinds of questions. Alright? So I'll know which is for which, right? Okay, and now we will differentiate the inside bracket. Alright, so where we will do another round bracket here, square bracket here. So differentiate the inside bracket, I'll write it in yellow, yeah. So this will be actually purple. This will be, when you differentiate 3x, what do you get? Power come down, power -1. So invisible power 1 here. So it's a 3 power 1 and then power 1 -1. So x power 0 is 1 because x to the power 1 -1, which is x power 0, which can be further derived as 1, and 3 times 1 is just 3. So it's just 3 times 1 times 1. That will give us a 3. Alright. So it'll be a 3 plus, alright, this one. Okay, this one is trigo differentiation where you will apply your 4 steps. Alright. So what is this? And I forgot to mention that this is just a basic differentiation. Actually, I'm gonna write it at the top. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, do we have our power at the sign? Don't have, right? So just leave it, alright? So copy down your constant at the front, and when you differentiate sine, what do you get? Cosine, right? Cosine 2x plus 5, and you differentiate inside bracket, which we will do further. And this is a basic differentiation once again. Alright, and hold on, let me just correct this a little bit first. Actually, I write at the bottom because it's easier to see. Alright, and when we differentiate the inside bracket, what do we get? We get 2, isn't it? And then we finally can close the bracket. So remember, constant, right? Ignore, and then differentiate 2x will just be a 2. Alright, so this will be equal to, let's just copy down 3, the whole thing bracket, 3x plus 5 sine bracket 2x plus 5 whole thing square, and then I open the bracket, then I write 3 plus 10 cosine. Why 10 cosine? Because you see, this is one term, this itself is another term, so 5 times 2, which is 10. Alright, so with that, is our answer complete? Yes. Alright, and for these square brackets, now I will change it to round brackets. Alright, or you want to leave it in square bracket, it's fine. I'll write my answer in round bracket in another color. This is also accepted. And actually, if you ask me, I will accept the square bracket one because there's a round bracket which is inside, which I don't want to make myself more confused. So yeah, that's why I want to leave my answer in this format. I prefer the first one, which is in green, than the second one. But the second one, I will also accept if a student give me this as my answer. Alright, so with that, I'll go into the second question. But before I go into the second question, I want to make sure that you guys are on track, and I will actually end the video here because I will do another tough question which will take some time, alright, for me to prepare the question, and after that I'll explain to you guys how it's derived. Alright, and at the same time I have to adjust this so that it's big enough for you to see. And yeah, I guess go and have a good rest first before moving on to the next question. Alright, bye bye.